Now orange one. I would drop the hell out of it. Yeah. Crown St. John. Get out American muscle. Oh, God. You talk about things like that. Perfect.
You even get me started on that car.
You could have brought that up here. Do the gloves up. And the back door up.
Stop bringing up my bad past. Actually, I'm proud of that car though.
What's my bad thing? That's how we're proud and good.
Then it makes DJ be cool. Thanks a lot. Shout out to Scion. Make sure to come on out, man. Thanks for supporting. Make sure to call up your friends. Let them know this thing goes past 10 o'clock. It's gonna go past 10 o'clock and go ahead, let me see. We got raffle tickets, free gas cards. Get a raffle ticket. There's some free gas cards, free pizza, courtesy of Moretti's. Hamburgers, hot dogs right by the side. Make sure to come hang out with us, man. You got a car? Let us know what kind of car you got. Car crews. Let us know what car crew you represent. Also got the ladies of Arma Energy right here by the front of the DJ booth. We're trying some Arma Energy snacks, Arma Energy drinks. Of course, Julian on the radio, that's me, B96.3 in the house. Come by, say hi, grab a B96 cup, maybe win a t-shirt, alright?
So sick.